To insert a payment in Weebly, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Weebly website. Once there, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner to log in using your email and password. After completing the sign-in process, you will see various options on the left-hand side, including Overview, Website, Items, Orders, Fulfillment, Reports, Marketing, Communications, and Settings. At the top right corner, you will find Updates, Support, Setup Guide, and your store name. To proceed with inserting a payment, click on your store name, which will lead you to a page with options to add a site. View the site owner's email, access account settings, and sign out. Click on Account Settings, and from there, you will be taken to the account dashboard, where you can manage your account, change your password, and view other account-related information, such as connected social media accounts and available credits. You will also see a Payment Methods section, which will indicate if you have any saved payment methods. Additionally, you can navigate to the My Services tab to view any existing services. Since the goal is to insert a payment, you will need to upgrade your account to access this feature. Upgrading your account will allow you to add a payment method through the available options. Before doing so, ensure you understand the requirements and costs associated with the paid version of Weebly.